Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at set intersection. And what set intersection does is it checks each set that we're comparing and returns the object that is the same in each set. It has to be each set because we can compare more than two sets. And they must have the same object in every set for us to be returned the object that is in the intersection of all the sets. So let's get started by taking a look at an example. A is equal to a set, and we're going to say, whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's our set. All right, we're going to create another set so we can compare it to it. So B will represent that set. And we're going to say 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9er. There we go. There's our two sets. Now we're going to compare the two of them together using the intersection method. All right, so let's go ahead and say a.intersection. All right, and we're going to pass a argument of the other set we want to compare it to. So we'll pass it B as that argument, and we got 5. All right. So we returned a set that contains an object of 5. All right, and this object exists in both sets, so we're able to determine that is the intersection of the both sets. All right, let's take a look at another example. Let's go ahead and create another set. Let's just clear that and we'll bring up A, B, and let's do C. All right, this set's just going to contain numbers that don't exist in either set, so we'll go ahead and do let's do 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. There we go. Now we got 3 sets. We'll go ahead and do a.intersection like this, and we'll pass B and C as our two arguments. Hit return. And I spelled intersection wrong. Awesome. A.intersection. There we go. B, comma, C, and hit return, and we get an empty set. The reason why we got an empty set is because each set must contain the same object for it to be an intersection. So C does not have 5. 5 exists in A and B, so we get returned an empty set. All right. Let's go ahead and look at another way to test intersection in Python, and that's going to be the ampersand. The ampersand is this little guy sitting. That's what I call him. Little guy sitting. All right. Let's bring up our 3 sets up here so we can see what we're working with. We got A, B, and there was C also. There we go. And let's go ahead and test A and B. Let's see if they have any objects that intersect each other. So we'll do A ampersand B. There we go. We got 5. All right. So we already tested that with the intersection method, and we already knew it was 5. All right. So now we use the ampersand to also check that. Let's go ahead and do B ampersand C. There we go. We got an empty set because B and C do not have the same object in them. All right. If we do A ampersand B ampersand C, we get an empty set as well because C doesn't have the same one. So let's go ahead and do D real quick, and let's just put in 5, 23, 43, 1. All right, there's our other set. Now if we do A ampersand B ampersand C, now we got a set of, I want to do D. I'm sorry, A, B, and D. There we go. So we got A, B, and D, and we got 5 returned to us because 5 is in each set. We got 5 here, we got 5 here, and we got 5 here. So that's how we test the intersection of a set in Python. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next tutorial where we talk about something else with sets, and that would be the difference in sets. So we'll see you then.